Welcome to this product demonstration of the Ruijie Reyee RAP6262 outdoor access point. In this video, Ruijie Reyee showcases its IP68 rated durability, designed to withstand dust, water and harsh outdoor environments. Perfect for installers looking for reliable performance in challenging conditions. The RAP6262 combines rugged protection with high-speed connectivity. Let's take a closer look at how this access point delivers uncompromising resilience. Check this out, it's insane. Wow, thank you for watching this demonstration of the Ruijie Reyee RAP6262 outdoor access point with its IP68 rated protection. This device is built to deliver reliable connectivity in the toughest environments, giving installers confidence in every deployment. For more details, specifications and installation guides, visit mayflex.com or connect and contact with our networking team today. This device will help you stay connected, rain or shine. And whilst here, please subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.